This is Ling. Ling is my tour guide for today. Family tour guide. The rain has stopped. It was raining. So this is Václav Square. Apparently Václav was a king. Czech king. We're going to go down here and check out some of the vibes down there. Looks like a tram. And maybe later grab some lunch. But this is like the heart of Prague. I'm really surprised the amount of people that aren't wearing a mask or a scarf over their mouth or nose. Now, I know it is like the beginning of March, but they do have like 30 cases of corona here. But when you look around, hardly anyone is masked up. Maybe they don't care. Maybe they have strong immunities. I have no idea. Wow, check out that old school tram. Just plotted right there in Václav Square. I think it's a restaurant. I think it is a restaurant. Walking down the street, seeing all the trams. Looks like electrical trams. All this candy, guys. Licorice. It's like licorice. Tennis ball.
Yeah.
Spider. Do you want to try?
No, I don't like this. Cherry.
Strawberry ice cream. Special Czech candy.
You can go inside.
And they got the crocodiles like the ones in New Zealand. Chocolate, coffee, nuts, some more. Oh, this is so cute. It's like elves. Santa Claus elves. Wow. All right, we shall try some of the candy from Candy Miners. Candy Miners. Okay, we're gonna try the tennis ball. Check out the tennis ball candy. Tastes like fruit, like apple. I think it's apple. What's the name? Havelski. Havelski. Preste. Oh, my Czech's starting to get a bit good. That tennis ball is chewing gum. It's like bubble gum. Wow, look at that. Fruits, different ornaments, gifts. Honey wine. Wow. I guess this is where all the tourists come to buy all sorts of stuff, cups. Now let's try the coconut candy that we got from the Candy Miners place. Delicious candy with yogurt. Just like a mix of yogurt, candy. Check out this, guys. Weed. So you can buy weed here. 100% cannabis. Wonder how much it is. $400. 400 euro. No, 400 Czech. 20 or 30 bucks. New Zealand. For a bunch of weed. Not bad. Wow, check out that. We are coming to the famous clock tower. There we go, it's right there. Another square here in Prague. What's the name of the clock tower? Do you know?
Vietnam people say this is chicken square.
Chicken Square. All right, guys, so we have made it here to the Prague astronomical clock. As you can see, and that painting there, that picture there, has got the 12 apostles painted on it. And you can see some of the figurines up there. You can see a skeleton. And I think these are like Turkish or Arab. And you got like someone holding a Knights Templar shield, looks like. And over here you've got, I think it's Mary and Jesus. So a bit of Roman Catholic in there. But this is the Prague astronomical clock. And it's here in this square. I think they call this square Chicken Square, supposedly. We're going to have a bit of a look around this area as well. There's quite a lot of architecture that we can check out. There's also a lot of tourists here, but very quite significant, this clock, as you can see. So the square that we are in now, guys, is called the Old Town Square in Prague. You can see all the old Baroque buildings, some of the Roman Catholic churches, all the Jesuit symbolism. And you got the crowds of people who are just dawning and adoring that astronomical clock over there. Lots of churches here in Czech Republic, most of them Roman Catholic churches. I think Roman Catholic religion is about 37% of Czech people here. There's also a huge amount of people, I think 37% of people who are atheist as well. And the rest are made up of different religions. So the majority of the religion here in Czech Republic is Catholic, Roman Catholic. So this sculpture is of a martyr called Jan Hus. And I think they were killed because of their religious beliefs. So I think they created this sculpture to basically, I don't know, celebrate Jan Hus or tell people some kind of message around the martyr. I have no idea. Anyway, that's what it is. The square is very Gothic, religious. The astronomical clock. All right, we are going to get out of here, and I think we're going to head down to the river and check out some of the river vibes. This place really reminds me of Florence in Italy. I was in Florence in, I think, 2015, and this kind of reminds me of it with all the architecture and streets.
You see,
Huh?
the down here with ice cream.
Yeah, we can try that later
Yeah.
because I'm full on the bubble tea.
Okay.
We will taste that later. It's like kind of like a bread with ice cream. So we're going to try a bit of that later on. But we shall continue to explore these streets of Prague.
You see the people like this.
Yeah. They like to eat because it's cold. So they will kilo up.
You know, down.
Kilo up a lot.